2020 Panini Prizm Draft Picks Football 3 White Sparkle Packs Random Card Group Break. 9 spots, random card. Every spot receives a card. We'll randomize the names 5 times, get our name order, open up the packs, list each card in order, then randomize. Match the list up. Everybody gets a card. Five times. There's our list. Let's open our packs. Good luck, everybody. 3 packs, White Sparkle. Here we go. Sorry about your ACL, Nick Bosa. Next, 2020 Draft Picks, Eno Benjamin. Eno Benjamin Draft Picks. White Sparkle Rookie Auto, Brandon Jones. Draft Picks, Jalen Hurts. Again, sorry about your ACL, Nick Bosa. Auto, Keyshawn Vaughn. White Prizm Rookie Auto. White Prizm DJ Moore. DJ Moore. KJ Hamler Draft Picks. KJ Hamler. And Davion Taylor. Davion Taylor, rookie auto, white Prizm Sparkle. All right, let's see who gets what. Take this list to random 5 times. Hayes, Nick Bosa, Joshua B, Jalen Hurts, draft picks, DJ Moore, Hayes, another Nick Bosa, Alexander M, Keyshawn Vaughn, rookie auto, Hayes, Eno Benjamin, draft picks, Christian B, Brandon Jones, rookie auto, Alexander, Davion Taylor, rookie auto, and Hayes, KJ Hamler, draft picks. I'd like to thank everybody that got in that break. I will post that to YouTube.